Small house in San Ber by Equipo de Arquitectura in San Bernardino, Paraguay. Reducing architecture to the minimum elements is like writing a haiku. All the effort is concentrated on telling something in the most concise and efficient way possible. Remembering the Miesian maxim of fast nicht, almost nothing, we began the process of solving housing for a young couple who decided to leave the city in search of silence and serenity. The economy of means and austerity suggests an answer. The project is divided into two sectors, separating the served and servant spaces. On the one hand, the large social space, open, connected to the outside, and transformable into a large intermediate space, becomes a large reception gallery, configured by glass openings and wooden panels. Separated by an interior garden is the closed, private sector, where the support programs are located, such as the kitchen, bathrooms, office, and bedroom, built with brick masonry. The interior garden is the pause and transition of the two sectors of the house. Using natural stones, the path is marked, representing a change of pace between one sector and the other. The skylight located above the garden is responsible for bathing the plants in natural daylight and allows you to observe, even for a brief moment, the sky from inside the house. This longitudinal peephole is an observatory of clouds and the celestial sphere. The scale of the project, the proportion of the elements, and the materials used reflect the desire to build the synthesis of a reflective process on the administration of resources, and the maximization of results.